Good afternoon. My name is Julius, and today I'm going to show you around my Oracle Solaris VM I just installed. And also, I'm going to incorporate this VM into my Commvault CumCell environment. I installed it early today as well. But I noticed that I'm going to have to add more memory to this device. My virtual lab, my lab that I'm running my virtual machines in. I need to add some more memory. Commvault is pretty robust software, and it requires more memory than I currently have in my lab. All I can run it is just very slow. So anyway, I've already gone through the installation process for Solaris, and I'm at the login screen here. And I could do another video if you all want to show how to install it. So I'm going to type in my username, type in my password, go ahead and log in. Okay. As you see, the menu bar on this version of Solaris is at the top. We have our applications menu right here. We have accessories and a lot of applications within there, archive manager, calculator, just some general tools that you could find helpful. Character map if you want to insert those into your documents, find files, G-edit text editor, oops, take a screenshot, terminal. We're going to come back to the terminal in just a second. Some developer tools, graphics tools, and also a camera browser for pictures, internet apps. You got your web browser, instant messenger, Thunderbird email client for reading your email. I don't have Star Office or anything installed now. Sound and video, you got your disc burner, CD ripper, rhythm box music player, and total music movie player. Some system tools, device driver utility, this usage analyzer, file browser, and G-parted partition editor. So you can create, reorganize, and delete your some partitions. Your performance monitor, system log, X terminal. Okay, so if you need to connect to something using a terminal, that's what you need. This is a reader and magnifier if you need some type of assistance reading things and magnifier. You can use that. And this is a a run, just like your run bar in Windows. You could if you know the path to the executable, you can type it in right there and run it from there, or you can do it with the command line. Okay, let's find the mouse. Seems to have gotten lost in the let's put it there. Okay, there we go. In places to navigate around our VM, our home folder, desktop, documents folder, music folder, picture folder, blah blah blah. Okay. All right, system. This is to system administration. To customize our view and different other parameters for our virtual machine. We could learn a little bit about set our personal information there, customize the appearance of the desktop. And each one of these have, I'm not going to go through each one, but if you install it, you would be able to read over the features of each one of these utilities, applications, screensavers, and all that. And some administrative tools under here. Set a device time, set the device date time, update manager. Package manager, we can install, update, and remove software packages. Let's look at an update manager and go out and see what's available. Because I haven't done any updates yet, and then I'm going to go back and okay, it's gathering the information. And this is one operating system if you work in IT, that you will likely find in enterprise environments. not so much in a home usage or even small shops. You know, most of the time this is going to be in for the higher end servers and or high end workstations. Okay, so that's probably going to take more time than what I want to allow. Let's just go here. Okay. Okay, it's not going to let me run that one while this one's still running. So while this is running, let me just stop the video until I can this completes. Okay, looks like my other one did complete. Okay, so here we got our package manager. The update manager didn't. This is for all packages. These are updates available for all packages. I just want to see what the updates are. This is Apache web server. So, this is our web server. This is our runtime shared libraries, and this is our development header files and libraries. Let's see if it's going to let me install these. Okay, no updates necessary. Okay, because if I go back to Apache and look here, it will say I have installed 2.2.20 and the build here, build number, and the latest version is 2.2.31 and the build number, and it's 9.24 megabytes update. So not quite sure. And this is where I was on the ensuring the package manager is up to date, which was taking quite a bit of time. But anyway, while this is running, let me just open up a terminal window here. Okay. And what I was going to do is just kind of walk through some command line things as it relates to the VMware tools. Oops. And I was just going to run over how to install the VMware tools. The first thing you would want to do is go here to manage and install VMware tools. Okay, browse and run application, and that basically mounts a folder as a CD image, and it popped up here. I mean, I could click on this, but let's just do it from the terminal here. First thing you want to do is just change your directory to temp directory. And remember, in Unix everything is // not backslash as it is in Windows. Let's just go to the temp directory, TMP. So as we can see here, we're at the temp directory. And now we want to extract the VMware tools. As you can see, this is it's a tar file, you know, gzip, the VMware tools there. So we want to extract that in this temp folder. So let's go to gunzip. Just use this. Type in, and Unix is case sensitive, so you need to type in exactly as it's written. Oops. And spaces and lack of spaces is very important as well. So you need to be mindful, like if you're typing something in, if you don't type in as it is explicitly stated, you're likely going to get an error. And so let's let that I'm going to do a list, and these are some of the files in there. VMware tools distributed, okay. And now I want to run the this file right here, okay. So I'm going to go and go into that folder. I'm sorry, go into that folder and run the executable from there. So I'm going to change directories to this folder. Okay. Let's just do a list, see what's in there. Okay, we have our installer and the okay. So now I want to go ahead and install the VMware dash in the install files. Okay, we'll hit /VMware dash install .pl. Okay. Oh, let's try this as a super user. Let's try this over again. Okay, and remember I said even as a super user, and I am, an admin here, so this is the administrator account. For some reason, it's not allowing me to do that. So let's I need to do a little troubleshooting on that to see. So as we can see, we have some updates available. So let's go ahead and click proceed, and it's downloading these. We have some drivers, 283 updates available. So this is going to take some time. So I'm going to let this run while we go to something else. Okay, let's see, what else could we look at here? I guess over here we have more shortcut menus here. We got our monitor, performance monitor, system services, got 133 instances running. Let's Let's see if it'll let me open it up there. These are all the instances enabled, running. Okay. Let's go ahead and close that out. Let's look here. This is our network profile. This is our daytime. These are just all shortcuts I showed you earlier from here. Preferences. How was it in administration right here? Oh, excuse me. Okay. This is it's that universal access preferences. You know, make text larger, easier to read. Similar to our magnifier there. And our volume control and stuff like that. Alright, we'll go ahead and close that out. And date time, we'll go ahead and close that out. And network's working, you know, basically 1 gig per second, 1000 megabits, and 1 gigabits per second. So while this is just downloading, I'm going to figure out why my permissions are didn't allow me to run that update from the command line. Alright, so while this is running, I'm going to go ahead and stop the video. Just gave you a quick overview of Oracle Solaris. And my next video, I'm going to just run through the installation from the ground up. And also, once I add more memory in my virtual machine, I'll show you how to install the Commvault Sympana backup agents on a Solaris machine. Alright, thank you for watching, and see you soon.